Hi there, this is Fei Wu, and in this video, I want to show you how to basically find that plus button for your video ads inside of Google. Again, I have detailed instructions on how to set up Google or YouTube in-stream ads, but the problem here is a lot of you guys, if you're just starting out, you'll notice that, hey, these are really cool. I've set up these campaigns and ads before. Look at these search campaign, display, video ads. All right, I click on something and, I'm able to see campaign. I'm seeing this plus sign. Awesome. Now, here's the problem. If you're new to Google Ads and the first thing they force you to set up is the most basic ads, which is the search ads. You type in something in Google and you see it. Now, the problem is a lot of these options are missing. I'm showing you an example, but as you can see to the left-hand side, what happened to the plus signs? What happens to the video campaigns? I can just easily click on and create new ones. Again, I'm flipping back and forth. These are the options that are completely missing. This drove me crazy for like a day and a half to 2 days, to be honest, because I'm so used to this user interface and then I didn't know where things went. So now to get it back, what I'm going to show you is a very simple thing. So let's use this example where you only see the basic ads, search only, that's what this icon is for. But again, if you don't know, you'll be completely stunned, right? So you're inside this user interface and you're saying, okay, let me create a new campaign. And all of a sudden you realize, wait a minute, this is a search ads. I can tell you right now without all the click-throughs, this is going to create a basic search ad, right? So instead, what you're going to pay attention to solve this is click on settings menu up here, upper right-hand corner. And the crazy thing is sometimes when you create a new account, meaning you want to set up a new one for yourself, for a different business purpose, or for your clients, I have like 10 of them. So they default you to the basic mode. What you want to do is switch to expert mode. So click on expert mode. And now it says expert mode is for marketing pros. You don't have to be a marketing pro. You just have to set up things for more than just search ads, right? Specialized campaign, custom ad groups, all this jazz. So you want to switch to expert mode. Look at this. It takes 2 seconds and all of a sudden you have way more options. You have all these views, you have these summaries, which you need to see whether you're a pro or otherwise. And guess what? Now you click on tools and settings again. Look at all of these things. Needless to mention, you have search and reports, which you need all the time anyway. And all these setup options, account access, if you need to invite other people in, are right here. Now, if I go back to this main menu, you're able to see that immediately you have more options, such as a smart campaign. Now, what you want to do is under campaign, when you click on the plus sign, when you click on new campaign, you have all of these options, which are not specific to search ads only. To create, for me personally, by the way, I love creating campaigns without a goals guidance. So once you click on that, now, voila, you have video ads, which is, in my personal opinion, the most effective ways to share ads. I know it depends on the nature of your business, but to find this option, again, you need to enable expert mode under settings when you first start in Google. So hope this helps. It's a very short video. I'm going to link below on how I navigate and how to create a YouTube in-stream ads step by step. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and leave me a comment if this helps.